Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Nick from Noob Kill coming at you with another Madden video today, and today we're going to do a bunch of large quick sells. I've done the player trading sets like thousands of times, so I have tons of gold and silver trophies. So hopefully we can strike it rich with the large quick sell and get some good cash. I'm going to do something a little different today. I'm going to edit it so you don't have to see me put in all the trophies every single time. So I'm just going to do it this first time, and then I'm going to play some music, and then I'll catch you guys at the end of the video. So hopefully we can get something good here, putting in the last trophy, and I'll catch you guys at the end. All right. Alright guys, so this is the last one. I believe it's the 20th large quick sell, and this run hasn't been that great. The best thing we got was 50k, but let's see what we can get in this one. So yeah, we get 10k. That's not that bad, better than 1 or 5k, but still not the greatest thing you can pull. This run wasn't that great, but I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button, leave a like on this video, and I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.